Hello guys, today we're going to talk about interpreting remainders. Mrs. Guzman makes 62 copies. She has 28 students. How many copies does each student receive? These are the types of real-world problems that you're going to be seeing, and we need to make sense of what those leftover pieces mean. This is just a simple division problem, just like we've been doing in the past few days. So 62 divided by 28 would be my division problem. I know that 28 is probably going to go in twice, so 28 times 2 is 56. So 2 times, and we subtract, and we get 6 leftover copies. This is our remainder. Here's the question that I have for you. What do we do with those leftover copies? Hopefully you know we have a basket in our classroom. That's where all the leftover copies go. That is our remainder. Those are the leftover pieces. We're not going to cut them up. We're not going to do anything with them but put them in the basket. Everyone gets 2 copies, and there are 6 extra copies in case you lose your paper. What are some things you can think of that can't be cut up or shared? I automatically think of people or animals. We don't want to cut them into pieces. Cars or transportation. Can't chop up a car either. Or sometimes there's just not enough of some measurement, like wrapping paper. I had enough to wrap all the other gifts, but not enough for this one, so I have a remainder. That means we have to decide to do something with the remainder. If it has to do with people or animals, we can always have uneven groups. If it has to do with a car, we can't chop up a car, so that means we'll just have to be without one car or have too many cars. If it has to do with something like a measurement, wrapping paper, ribbon, paper, anything like that, if there's not enough, that remainder really just gets thrown away. Or we save it to use it on something smaller. Your challenge today is to think logically, think about what you know and your past experience, and decide, what do I do with that leftover remainder? Good luck!